Oh, by the way, in the distant future, as we continue to
decades. Despite close ties to the British Navy, following almost a century of colonial rule, India didn't want to get drawn into the superpower clash of the Cold War. This is because India believes in a policy known as strategic autonomy. You know how there are some people who are, India believes in a policy known as strategic autonomy. You know how there are some people who are all about brand.
2025 QX80 coming this summer.
You know, since Jesus Christ.
Presents a new chapter in luxury, the premiere of the all-new 20.
Is this the right thing to spend this much money on? Should maybe our allies spend more on defense so that they can take a piece of that responsibility? I mean,
what do you think on that? I'm super curious, actually.
I think it's a good thing. I think countries should.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Supported in Cap Verdio News, where facts matter and stories inspire. Here and Now continues in just a moment.
Whoa.
And coming up on the Cap Verdio
What are
News,
you doing?
a federal judge has ruled immigration.
Chlorine. I forget what it was delivering, but we drove to Jericho. We're seeing all the billboards and the tanks driving by us and the yellow lights away from the settlements. I remember talking to him about.
From the UC system. So the union is asking to essentially remedy the
You gotta be
unfair labor
kidding me.
It says our
Doing? Oh my fucking god. Are you kidding me?
Well, there goes that license renewal.
Just backing up. No, don't back up. Don't back up.
Oh my gosh.